It's Eli again, and we are here in San Carlos with another beautiful project. I'm excited to share with you this joyful project with my dear clients, Dan and Sonia. And now, let's hear their testimony.
Hi, I'm Dan Elks.
I'm Sonia Elks.
And we're in San Carlos, and we're sitting in the new kitchen that Eli and Lemon Remodeling built for us, sitting on the bench that Sonia designed, and couldn't be happier with the results. We've been thinking about getting our kitchen done for a long time, but ran into a few contractors that was kind of hard to work with. But when we contacted Eli and started working with Lemon, it was amazing how easy it was to work with them and to be able to do what we wanted to do and get the kitchen actually done rather than just thinking about it.
We had a really great experience with the crew from Lemon Remodeling, a really great connection with each of the people who worked on different aspects of the build. They communicated well, they incorporated us and our thoughts and informed us on every aspect of the build, which was really helpful because there were several times we were able to make small tweaks that we wouldn't have if they hadn't told us what's happening. So they cleaned up after each time. They left the place empty but usable. It was cleaned well between when they were working here, and just a great experience overall.
So the other thing that I thought was really helpful with Eli when thinking about materials and things like that was he was always there to give us suggestions and opinions, given how many kitchens he's done, but also was willing to listen to our ideas. So he could say, you know, I think this is what I would do, but you have your own ideas. And sometimes sometimes he'd say, I really recommend this. And sometimes we go with our own ideas, but a lot of the ideas he suggested that we wound up going for turned out to be really good in the end. So the other thing that I really liked about working with Eli and Lemon was if we had an idea and we wanted to do something a little different or something wasn't working out, Eli was always there willing to stick up for us and to get us what we wanted rather than to say, oh, you know, I want to keep the time short or I want to be more cost efficient. He was always listening to us and really had, I think, kind of our best interests at the heart of what he was doing rather than kind of trying to maximize for some other project or something else along the way. If I had to do this kitchen again, I would choose Lemon Remodeling 10 times out of 10. They did a great job. And as future things come up, I'm definitely going to give Eli a call. And in fact, I've already recommended him to other friends of mine who are starting to use him on other projects as well. So I think it was a really good experience and probably the best experience I've had with the contractor since we got the house.